Welcome back to another video, and today we're doing a review on a recent release from ScaleTrains.com, and this is their Rivet Counter N-Scale General Electric C44-9W, and as you can see we have three of them here, and looking at the sticker, all three of them are ex-Southern Pacific locomotives which have been patched under the Union Pacific Railroad after it acquisitioned Southern Pacific. So yeah, these are all three of the XSPs that ScaleTrains released, and as you can see they're all slightly different in their variations, with different panels being replaced and of course different numbers. So I think we will just, instead of unboxing all three in this video, we'll just unbox the one, and then when we do the run around of the testing, we'll have all three of them running on the layout together. So we'll take this one here and move the other two boxes to the side. But yeah, looking at the box, the presentation is always spectacular from ScaleTrains. Lovely drawings here, or schematic drawings here, Rivet Counter badge, ScaleTrains logo, and then we have a sticker of the model. Nice little compact hard cardboard box, so it should be well protected. On the side, of course, again ScaleTrains with some details. The sticker, like I showed you, this is a DCC with lock sound, and we have the N scale and a lovely coloured picture. And then on the underside we have some history about these -9 series locomotives with features, and then some more information about ScaleTrains themselves and their models. So we won't waste any further time and open up the box. Easy slide off, and straight away we have the standard operator's manual. Once again, schematic drawing with the name of the model, and as per usual you have your warranty, functions, CVs, any and all information you need to know about the locomotive. So we won't waste any time and get into the mainstay, which of course is the model. Apologies for the reflection, it's a bit hard to see, but clamshell packaging in plastic, so that's pretty standard and works very well with protecting the separately applied pieces and the model itself from any damage. No accessories from what I can see. So I'll pop it out and slide this. And there you go. There is the model. A few foam pieces to keep the railing straight. So what I'll do is remove these and we'll take a closer look and run over the features of this locomotive. So as you can see, I've now pulled all the foam pieces off of the model, and we have a close-up of 9647 here. Just looking at it in general, the detail and the accuracy of this locomotive is absolutely unparalleled from ScaleTrains. I would even say it rivals the details of some of our HO scale locomotives. It's just that good and that amazing that they can fit this much on a model this small. So fully operational ditch lights, headlight, number boards, of course your standard knucklehead coupler from ScaleTrains, lots of really crisp lines, and the paint job is absolutely spectacular and is really nice, especially with all these patched panels, and the numbers, even if you can look up the front, there's, if I can get in focus, there's a small UP badge, and then beside it a sort of weathered looking patch. But yeah, really nice. Of course, windshield wipers, MU hoses, we've got a detailed interior, and uncoupling levers, mirrors, sunshades, and yeah, lots and lots of separately applied details, and the molded detail on the panels and even the rivets is really nice. We've got some detail just above the trucks, and the trucks themselves have a good amount of detail. All the wheels have electrical pickup and are driven. Of course, we've got the speaker down there, which should sound really good with ESU Lock Sound 5. But yeah, this locomotive looks absolutely amazing, and I would presume the other two that we have are just as good. But spinning it around to the rear, once again we have a light there, another standard coupler, and a number. So other than that, there's plenty of other features and details that I could run over, but I won't waste any further time, and we'll just get this locomotive onto the tracks and see how it pairs with the others. So this wraps up our review on ScaleTrains and N-Scale General Electric -9-44 CWs. Together they ran really well as a unit. Obviously we haven't got them in a formal order or properly programmed yet, so that not all the bells go off at once or all the horns go off at once. But that was a good demonstration of how, even though they're not speed matched, they still run really well together, and they can certainly pull a lot of load up steep grades. So yeah, really good pulling power. The detail is absolutely amazing, especially in person. You can see every little thing and it just looks really good. And yeah, we've had experience with ScaleTrains and Scale locomotives, like we had, I believe, their other ES44s, I think they were. I'm not too sure, but those also performed really well, and I think these 44 CWs do just as well, if not better. But yeah, really well done product from ScaleTrains once again. And yeah, definitely recommend it if you can pick these up or already have. I believe they're really nice, and yeah, couldn't recommend them any further to anyone who is modelling this era or in general just likes these locomotives just like we do, especially since they are in this scheme X, Southern Pacific and now Union Pacific. We love to see how N-Scale is expanding with these varying schemes, just as HO has already done. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe, and catch us in the next video. Thank you for watching.